Hey, Kevin here. I'm not really video ready today, but I've got to get a little bit of something out there. Um, Last week, I can't say that I hurt my back, but I hurt my back. I have a disc in my lower back that actually bulges inward and pushes on my spine. And when that flares up, I can't even tie my shoes. So I've been out for a little bit nursing this back. It's still bothering me, but I'm actually able to be mobile right now. But in the meantime, I wanted to get some footage of kind of what I got going on so that I can put something out there and show you the little bit of progress that is happening currently. So let me jump into this. As you know, I got rid of the wheel well in here. Yeah, that's a nice sheet of metal. Too thick for what I'm doing here, but that is going to be some patch material. But I took care of that wheel well, got it out of here. And what I did is I took a sheet very similar to this, minus the rust spots. It was a lot more clean. But I took that sheet and I actually used the wheel well right here because on this wheel well, this has this back section back here that kind of flares up in the back from the back of the trunk. So, and that's back here, right back here, this section. So what I did is I took that sheet of metal and this is it here. I actually I used the wheel well and I clamped it on here and then gave it some slight form. And then I sketched around the outside of it with a pencil and then grabbed my snips. And then I grabbed my snips, cut it out. See, it has that form there. And then stuck it into place. So, yep, stuck it into place like so. It fits really good. Just have to do a little more forming up here. Not that big of a deal. I do know it's short, but that's okay. I'm actually got another piece of material, and I'm going to put a seam right here, and that'll actually give this a little bit more rigidity as well, because it's just a smooth piece. And that's what all these bead rolled areas are for, is actually just to give the area some rigidity. So that'll just add a touch to that. So I'm going to get that done. I'm going to work on forming that other piece, getting it cut out, getting it set, hopefully have it ready to go tomorrow. And then I'm going to take this piece of material and use it to patch the trunk on either side above the leaf spring shackles. So that's kind of what's been going on. Just wanted to do a quick update on that. That's what's going on. I wish I could get more done, and I had the ability to spend a little more time right now here. But until my back is to a point where I can really curl up in this stuff, I'm trying to keep from hurting it worse because it keeps me out of work. I can't do that as well. So got to nurse the back for the time being. Make sure that I'm well to have that good enough so that I can just keep at this stuff. So that's just a little quick update. I'll hopefully be adding more to this once I get some more done in here. As long as I'm mobile. If this thing flares up again, I gotta take a break till I get this back taken care of. But I'm gonna do what I can. All right. Thanks for checking in. Talk to you soon.